Hello everyone, I'm lit up by a wonderful candlelight here for the mysterious horror look. I've just realised this will be the last Vancouver video before Shelby and Stuart or Charlotte get here, and then they can be in my videos too. Woo! Everyone's happy. These lights aren't just for decoration, these are like celebration lights. Are you okay? This does look really freaky. It's my week for a theme. Ooh. So this week's theme is interesting public transport stories. Casey has quite a lot of them, so you'll be really excited for her video. She's got some really interesting ones, that's why I've chosen to pick this week's theme, so I'll be excited for hers. She's grinning now with anticipation of her video. She just can't wait at all. I wonder if I can show you on this, or is it just too dark? Okay, all I can see is the apple. It looks like you're just trying to plug your laptop. Ooh. And this is the wonderful kitchen in the dark.
Can you see my face now?
Yes! It looks like you're an angel or something. Ta-da-da! Are you okay? Would you like a glass of water?
I'm good.
So if you don't have an interesting public transport story, walking can be your form of public transport, in addition to crawling and roly-polying.
Roly-poly?
and surfing.
What's roly-polying?
You don't know what a roly-poly is? Like a forward roll. So
you call that roly-polying? That's so cute.
A roly-poly. How do you make a Swiss roll?
I don't know.
Push them down a hill.
So silly.
That's so brilliant.
Why did the plane crash?
Why?
Because the pilot was a loaf of bread.
How did the plane set off?
I don't know. Ask me if I'm a tomato.
Are you a tomato?
No, I'm not a tomato. Tomato, whatever you say. Why would you even ask that?
A man was going around stealing garden gates, but no one would say anything to him in case he took offence.
Oh, I just saw one. Just a second. Oh, ever have sex while camping? It's fucking intense. Wait, you have to see it.
Ciao for now.